The bowl is in a circle shape. Now they add the milk. It splashes everywhere. Puppy helps her pour it out. The carton shape is square. Cupcake shapes, look for shapes as we bake. Cupcake shapes, what shapes can our cupcakes make? Puppy holds the cupcake tray. It's a rectangle shape. Sis starts frosting all the treats. Let's see what shapes she makes.